All right, everybody.
Look down, Mom.
It's Aiden, Dad, and Mom. And Aiden is going to unbox. Where'd you get this, buddy?
From Shields.
Okay. We're going to unbox this Lego Super Mario that Aiden got from Shields. It makes Mario jump. We're going to make Mario jump, right? It's for ages 6+.
Yeah, say the number and the name below it.
71392 Frog Mario. Front, side, other side, bottom, top, and back.
What does it say?
Says Power Up Pack.
Mom, you hit my knee.
I'm sorry, honey. Excuse me.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, focus. We're gonna build it, so we'll be right back.
Okay, thanks for joining us.
No,
We're
we
gonna,
gotta build it.
We're gonna build it up and then we'll be right back with you, okay?
Yeah.